3, 4, 5, 6, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 31, 32, 33. That's 40 steps away, 50 steps away. I think that's 70 steps away. Okay, I'm way down here. I think the Blink 500 has a really good use. You can see other videos and stuff like that, especially a good one from Judd, who goes through all this really cool stuff. And my idea is to take the Blink 500 and mount it on top of that action cam and get some of the best darn audio on a little action cam that you can get without all the microphones and crap. It's a decent audio for a little action camera, and the fact that it's at least a foot away, something like that. And watch what happens when I plug in this Blink 500 to the action camera. Let's check the difference out here. Okay, how about that? Now we're sitting here running with this lapel into the transmitter and the little tiny Blink 500 receiver at the top going into the action camera. I think you'll agree it sounds way better. This is brilliant. I just take a little Saramonic receiver right here. It's already on. It doesn't seem to care. I just clip it onto the hot shoe. Just like that. Now it's mounted. Perfect way for that thing to be. You don't have the whole, microphone sitting out here or anything else. I just plug this little guy into here. The mic's on, and you can see right here, it's showing that there's a wireless microphone in there. I'm transmitting through this transmitter over here that I have, that's sitting right here, and it doesn't matter how far away I am, it doesn't matter where I've gone. This is brilliant. I can go anywhere with this thing and just, here, let's do it. Okay, I'm here with a DJI action camera, the Osmo, which I love. I've been curious about sound and about audio on this camera because the audio is okay. Now I'm holding this thing far away from me. I have it mounted on a PGYTECH little mini boom thing in a PGYTECH cage, and I'm using this, I forget the name of it, audio adapter for the Osmo Action. Well, I decided hooking these microphones up to the top and everything else were just a real pain in the butt. Furry wind covers, you got all this stuff going on. And I decided it'd be cool if I could just lapel myself, because then I could go anywhere and I could do anything that I wanted to do. I could turn the action cam around, point at things, look at things, and it doesn't matter which direction I'm looking at because I'm lapelled. Right now I have the Saramonic Blink 500 on the top of this camera running into it. Transmitter sitting right here. It's running up here, and I have this little lapel mic just sitting right there, if you can see it. Doesn't matter how I turn it. Doesn't matter if I stick it on the ground or put it way out here sideways or stick it way above my head. It doesn't really matter because I'm lapelled up. And that's awesome. So I'm just sitting here wirelessly with the lapel going into this Blink 500 and into the Osmo Action Cam, and I think that's awesome. If you turn around, camera around, then you have to have the mic turned around to hear you because it's directional. You've got a furry wind cover that comes and hangs down over this thing. No, you can buy one unit like this with the lapel and the transmitter and the receiver on top, or you can buy it with 2 units, which has 2 lapels, 2 transmitters, and the 1 receiver on top. And what ends up happening is for, I think it's $139 for this lapel system. I think with the 2 mics and the 2 transmitters, it's about $249 maybe. You don't want to spend $800–900 on a wireless system, nor will you find one that's going to attach to your action camera, either your GoPro or your DJI Osmo. It's just not going to happen. The mic is not going to do a darn thing because the mic's sitting right here on me. And if I were sitting there doing something like this with 2 people, would be awesome. I could have another person sitting here next to me talking, or I could be interviewing someone, with 2 of these mics. I think the thing's great. I think for this purpose, it's awesome. I think for a consumer grade wireless system where you get 2 transmitters and a receiver, and I think for GoPro and action camera users, I think this thing rocks. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.